Japan is renowned for its achievements in robotics and technologies. Today, Japanese industrial robots are increasingly replacing humans in manufacturing and other sectors. This shift is driven by several factors, including a demographic crisis, economic needs, and rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. In this video, we will explain why this large-scale replacement of humans by robots is happening, explore the scale of this phenomenon, and consider whether robots could fully replace humans in Japan. Welcome to Karo's show and enjoy watching. There are several reasons behind the widespread replacement of humans with robots in Japan. The first and most significant reason is the demographic crisis. Japan faces one of the most severe demographic challenges in the world. The country's birth rate remains low, and the population is rapidly aging. Projections suggest that by the year 2050, over 35% of the population will be over the age of 65. This creates a critical labor shortage, particularly in sectors such as manufacturing, logistics, and services. The second reason is economic efficiency. Industrial robots can work faster, more precisely, and for longer hours than humans. They do not require wages, vacations, or social benefits. Implementing robotics allows Japanese companies to reduce costs and increase productivity. The third reason lies in technological capabilities. Japan leads the way in the development of industrial robotic machines. Companies like Fanuc, Kawasaki Heavy Industries, and Yaskawa Electric create robots capable of performing complex tasks, from assembling electronics to welding. Modern robots can integrate into smart production lines, simplifying automation processes. Artificial intelligence plays a key role in the evolution of Japanese industrial robotic machines. Artificial intelligence enables robots not only to perform pre-programmed actions, but also to learn, adapt, and make independent decisions. With artificial intelligence, robots become more versatile. For instance, they can analyze data, recognize objects, and adapt to changing conditions, making them useful even in non-standard situations. Artificial intelligence also allows robots to interact with manufacturing execution systems, ensuring complete control over production processes. This is especially crucial for Japanese companies, where precision and reliability are paramount. Additionally, AI enhances workplace safety by enabling robots to recognize the presence of humans nearby and pause operations to prevent accidents. While industrial robots in Japan already replace humans in many industries, completely eliminating the human factor remains impossible for several reasons. Modern robots lack creative thinking and intuition. Tasks requiring flexibility or emotional intelligence are beyond their capabilities. Robots require programming, maintenance, and oversight from specialists, which creates a demand for skilled engineers and programmers. Replacing humans with robots raises ethical concerns, such as increased unemployment and the need for society to adapt to new realities. The Japanese government and companies strive to find a balance by implementing robots in ways that minimize negative impacts on the population. The mass adoption of industrial robots in Japan is not merely a technological trend, but a necessity driven by demographic and economic challenges. Artificial intelligence has become the engine of this process, making robots smarter, more efficient, and more versatile. However, it is unlikely that robots will fully replace humans in Japan. Human creativity, intuition, and social dynamics remain beyond the reach of machines. The future of Japan is more likely to be built on human-robot collaboration, where technology complements human labor rather than displacing it. Automation of production and the integration of robots are actively advancing in other countries around the world, each with its unique approach to the process. For instance, China is the world's largest manufacturing hub, where robotics is driven by rising labor costs and a shortage of skilled workers. The government's Made in China 2025 initiative supports the development of domestic robotics manufacturers like Seasun. Industrial robots are widely used in the automotive and electronics industries, enhancing productivity and reducing costs. Germany leads Europe in the number of robots employed in manufacturing. Automotive giants such as Volkswagen and BMW rely on robots for welding, assembly, and logistics. High labor costs and the demand for precision manufacturing drive the advancement of robotic technologies. Artificial intelligence is actively integrated into robotic machines, enabling them to analyze data and predict potential system failures. In the United States, automation focuses on boosting efficiency. Companies like Tesla and Amazon heavily utilize robots in automobile assembly and logistics. Artificial intelligence enhances the autonomy of robots in America, reducing maintenance time and costs. South Korea is the global leader in the number of robots per 10,000 workers. Robots are extensively used in electronics production such as Samsung and LG, and the automotive industry, such as Hyundai Motors. The South Korean government strongly supports robotics development through investments and research programs. However, every country faces challenges related to ethics and social consequences. The implementation of robots can lead to unemployment in certain sectors, necessitating the creation of retraining programs and societal adaptation to new realities. Global robotization is inevitable and continues to gain momentum. It is not merely a technological trend, but a natural response to global challenges such as population aging, labor shortages, and growing demands for productivity and product quality. Industrial robots have already proven their efficiency by performing routine, hazardous, or complex tasks faster and more accurately than humans. However, despite rapid advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, robots will not fully replace the human workforce in the foreseeable future. Human labor possesses unique qualities such as creativity, intuition, adaptability, and emotional intelligence, which are difficult to replicate in machines. The future of robotization lies in collaboration rather than competition between robots and humans. Robots can take on physically demanding and monotonous tasks, allowing people to focus on work that requires creativity, strategic thinking, and social engagement. Nevertheless, the process of automation must be balanced. Governments and companies need to implement measures to mitigate negative consequences, such as unemployment, economic inequality, and social tension. This includes workforce retraining, creating new jobs in high-tech industries, and supporting educational programs. Robots should be tools that enhance human lives rather than deprive them of opportunities. If the world can strike the right balance, robotization will not pose a threat but become a catalyst for global development. Robots indeed open up tremendous opportunities for humanity, but it is essential to understand that their adoption is not only a technological shift, but also a social revolution. It is crucial for governments, businesses, and society to work together to create an environment where automation complements human labor, rather than turning people into redundant elements of the economy. Moreover, robotization can act as a catalyst for a more equitable distribution of labor and resources. By freeing people from monotonous and physically demanding work, we can enable society to focus on more meaningful aspects of life, such as advancing science, art, education, and caring for nature and one another. However, it is important to remember that robots cannot exist independently. They require human oversight, programming, and continuous improvement. Therefore, in the era of automation, skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and technological management will hold exceptional value, areas where humans will always remain irreplaceable.